Hello, welcome to this video. We are talking about an intervention today called Neurodiversity Puzzle. And this is a intervention designed to help the child, the neurodivergent child specifically, better understand themselves and also appreciate who they are, build up their self-worth, give them some confidence and some empowerment. You could do this intervention with any child. Doesn't have to be a neurodivergent child. That's kind of the focus and what I'm going to be talking about, but it could really apply to any child that you're working with if you thought that it would be a helpful intervention. So we start with a blank puzzle. I love these blank puzzles, by the way. You can get these online, you can order them, or you can probably find them in like an education supply store. So I usually just buy the sort of 9-piece puzzle. It's not very big, as you can see, and just 9 pieces to work with. And so explain to the child that we're going to basically be creating a puzzle, but the puzzle is about them. And so we're going to start actually on the back side. It's just easier if we start on the back side. On the back side, on each puzzle piece, and they can take them off if they want, whatever works best, they're going to write something that they like or appreciate or enjoy about themselves. Or you could broaden it to themselves and their life, right? Or if they go, well, what about if I write these kinds of things? Then go with it. If they have an idea, go with their idea, but you can present that initial idea. So on each puzzle piece, they're going to write something. Then when they get all of those things written on the front side, they're going to draw, color, design, whatever they want their puzzle that kind of represents them, that's about them, to look like, they can do. And then when they're all done with the creation, what I like to do if we have time is take the whole puzzle apart and then put it together piece by piece. And as we're putting each piece on, we talk about that thing that they've written that they like about themselves until we get the whole puzzle put back together again. And then they can take this home, they can keep it as a reminder of the things they appreciate about themselves, the things they like about themselves, the things they value about their neurodivergent self. So I have a couple of examples. I don't have many because the kids take them home and keep them, which is what we want them to do. But I do have one here, and it falls apart very easily, that a child let me keep and let me show for this video. And this was the picture that they drew. Again, there's really no specific instructions on the drawing, whatever they want to do. And then on the back side, what they wrote were a lot of things that they kind of changed up the instructions a little bit. What they wrote were things that they like to do that make them feel good. And so they put things like play and eating ice cream, watching a movie. Obviously, you can tell that they've been in therapy a little bit because they put deep breathing. So those were things that they like to do, and then they drew their picture. I'll show you this picture that a client did when the instruction was, create a picture now that represents your neurodivergent self and things you like about your neurodivergent self. And they drew this really cool picture. So what my experience has been with this intervention is that kids really enjoy it, especially kids who maybe are a little bit more drawn to more expressive art, or drawing or coloring type interventions. And also it's just a really nice one to introduce, again, to help the child better understand themselves, specifically with a focus of appreciation appreciating themselves, increasing their self-worth, which is so important for this population. So again, neurodiversity puzzle. Puzzles are easy to get, pretty easy to implement intervention. So thank you for watching this clip. Please give us a like and a subscribe to the channel and come back and watch more. Thank you.